All right, this is the MUNBYN label holder for rolls and Fanfold labels. Company sent me this product, check it out, and make a video for it, so let's do it. So it arrives safely, and you can see me unboxing it over here somewhere. It's just 4 parts, really. You've got the roller, the 2 legs, and the top on here. And if I'm not mistaken, these things are all exactly the same. So you can see you've got some slots here, some slots here. You just line them up, press it down, so it'll only go one way. So line it up, press it down, there you go, flip it over. There's your label holder. On the bottom, we've got rubber feet, so it's perfect for the desk. 7 inches high. From end to end here, we're about 9.5 inches and about 6 inches. And it does come with an instruction manual if you want to use that. Looks like you can store that in there if you wanted to, if you're not using it. So pretty simple to use. If you're using Fanfold labels, you just place the fan underneath of there. Make sure you've got the right side up in here. Load them into your printer. You can see it just pulls it through. If you want to cycle it. You can see it just pulls them off the bottom pretty much seamlessly. If you're using a roll, again, super easy. Just make sure you got the right side facing upwards and stick the roll through here. It locks into place and you can see it just pulls off of there. Easy enough. Load it up. Pull this off. You can see it just seamlessly pulls the labels off the roll. No problems at all. That is awesome. Here I've got the MUNBYN 2" by 2" thermal printer labels using the MUNBYN label holder. Easy enough. You just set it in place. Adjust this guide right here. Lock it down. Centers everything. And it's ready to print. There you go, super lightweight, easy to use Fanfold or rolls on there. Nice little tabletop for your printer if you want to use that too. Or store your Fanfolds on there, however you want to do it. Very nice.